Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to find the area in a topographical map. In examination questions come like you have to find the area of some northing to that easting. So I'll tell you how to find the area of a place in a topographical map. Let's start. The scale of every topographical map is 1:50,000. This means each 1 centimeters on the topographical map represent 50,000 centimeters on the actual land. 1 centimeter is equal to 50,000 centimeter. So 2 centimeter is equal to 50,000 into 2 is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. 2 centimeter in a topographical map represent 1 lakh centimeter. So 2 centimeter is equal to, we can write 1 lakh centimeter as 1 kilometer. Every 2 centimeter in a topographical map represent 1 kilometer. So each box in a topographical map is of 2 centimeter each side. तो 2x2 का होता है हर ब्लॉक टोपोग्राफिकल मैप में. सो इन एक्चुअल लैंड इट इज 1 किलोमीटर and 1 kilometer. So if we find the area of a box, area of a square is equal to side into side. We know that the area of a square is equal to side into side or side square. So the length of side is 1 kilometer on actual land. 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer square. So the area of each box in a topographical map is 1 kilometer square. Now this is a topographical grid. If the questions come that you have to calculate the area between the easting 18 to 22 and northing 69 to 65. So you have to calculate the area of the place enclosed between this. You have to calculate the area of this much. So this is very easy. The calculation of area in a topographical map is very easy. The enclosed boxes are between easting 18 and 22, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the enclosed boxes between 69 and 65 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can calculate the area easily. How many boxes are there? 4 into 4. So the total number of boxes is equal to 16. So area of one box is equal to 1 kilometer square. 1 kilometer square area of one box. So area of 16 boxes is equal to 16 kilometer square. It is very easy to calculate. The number of boxes into kilometer square. There are 16 boxes, so the area is 16 kilometer square. Now let's solve a question in the actual topographical map. What is the area in square kilometer of region enclosed between easting 80 to 84 and northing 91 to 96? You have to calculate the area enclosed between easting 80 and 84 and northings 91 to 96. Now let's count the number of boxes between easting 80 to 84. Easting 80 is here and 84 is here. So the number of boxes between them are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 boxes between easting 80 to 84. Now let's come to northing. We have to calculate from northing 91 to 96. 91 is here and 96 is here. So the number of boxes between 91 and 96 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 boxes. So we will calculate the area. Area is equal to number of boxes into 1 kilometer square, because the area of one box is equal to 1 kilometer square, so we will multiply the number of boxes into 1 kilometer square. So how can we find the number of boxes? By multiplying the number of boxes between the eastings and northings. The number of boxes between easting 80 and 84 is equal to 4, and the number of boxes between northing 91 to 96 is equal to 5, we have seen, into 1 kilometer square. So there are 20 boxes. So 20 into 1 kilometer square. So the number of boxes into 1 kilometer square is equal to 20 kilometer square. So the area enclosed between eastings 80 and 84 and northing 91 and 96 is equal to 20 kilometer square. So thank you. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment box. I'll surely reply.